Hello, this is Tamara Evans, Digital Services Librarian at the Kings County Library. Today I'm going to show you how to use our ZipBooks program, which is provided by the California State Library, Khalifa Group, and NorthNet Library Group, to provide you with a free book provided from Amazon Prime. So let's get started. To begin, you're going to go to the library's website, which is located at kingscountylibrary.org. From here, you're going to scroll down to the bottom of the page to the Services menu. And then you're going to click where it says ZipBooks. Once you arrive at the ZipBooks webpage, it'll provide information about how the program works and as well as an online application. So, information to be aware of in reference to our ZipBook program is that effective November the 1st, 2020, all Kings County Library customers can have one open ZipBook request at a time. That means that you can submit one online ZipBook request. Once the book arrives, you'll receive it from Amazon Prime, usually within 2 days, and once it arrives at your home, you'll have it for a period of 3 weeks. After that 3-week period is over, we'll ask for you to return your ZipBook through the library's book drop, and I'll discuss the return process in a minute. Books that are available to request for ZipBooks are books that are in regular print or large print that cost up to $50 pre-tax that the library does not own. You can also request audiobooks or foreign language items that cost up to $75 pre-tax that the library does not own. Unfortunately, we cannot submit ZipBook requests for books that were published within the last 12 months, Kindle ebooks, audiobooks, videos, or DVDs. When you are ready to return your ZipBook, we ask that you follow this process. Put on a piece of paper, write down the name and library card number of the person who requested a ZipBook. Then you're going to put that sheet of paper as well as the returned ZipBook into a clean bag. You're then going to seal that bag, and then you're going to drop that bag off at any of the Kings County Library book drops. Now that I've explained how the process works, I'm going to show you the online application that you will use if you want to request a ZipBook. To get to the online application form, you're going to click this blue area here where it says Start Your ZipBooks Request Now. Now we're at the online ZipBook request form. As you can see, the information is written in both English as well as Spanish, and it repeats the information I just stated in reference to what items are eligible to request for ZipBooks and items that are not eligible to be requested for ZipBooks. Information that we would need for the request to be submitted is your last name, first and last name, your Kings County Library card number, your mailing address including your zip code, phone number, email address, title of the ZipBook item you're wanting to request, author, whether the book is in regular print, large print, or audiobook format, and then lastly the ISBN number, which is a International Book Identification Number. In reference to locating the ISBN number for the ZipBook application, you can find this easily by going to Amazon.com. And then typing in the name of the book. And so, for example, I'm typing in a Backyard Berry book. Then you're going to click on the title of the book. And then to locate the ISBN number, you're going to scroll all the way down past the book information to the area labeled product details. And as you can see here for product details, it shows the publisher, language, format of book, and then the ISBN number, both the 10-digit ISBN number and the 13-digit ISBN number. This concludes the ZipBook tutorial, and I hope that you will use the online ZipBook request form soon. Please make sure that you like and follow the Kings County Library Facebook page, as well as subscribe to the Kings County Library YouTube channel for more videos similar to this one. Thank you and have a good day.